Penny and I are gonna make a pea and pecorino frittata, which I love making. We make them in the cafe all the time. It's such a great way of using up leftovers. So we are gonna start with 4 eggs. We'll just crack those in. So that's an easy thing to do. I'm just gonna slice in about 12 potatoes. Penny, do you wanna put that in your pot? There's no need to look so insulted. I just love cooking them eggs. It always makes me feel good when I've fed them some eggs because it's protein and it's fat. So you know that it's like a nice little bundle of energy. So there's half a cup of peas, roughly, but you know, a handful or so. Can you put this basil in? Look. Good go. Whilst I don't think that my children are very adventurous about their eating, I do like to try and encourage them in the right direction when I can. If you didn't have pecorino or you couldn't get hold of it, it's absolutely fine to use parmesan, something kind of punchy and salty. You could use feta in this, actually. Penny, do you want a bit of this? There you go. Now the trick is, with a frittata, is that all of your ingredients are in one bowl and they all go into the frying pan at the same time. So not things frying and cracking eggs over the top. That it just doesn't work and it doesn't hold its structure. Pour it in. Put a bit of cheese on the top. Everyone needs a bit more cheese. Is that helpful, Penny? Oh, thank you. I'm just going to pop this under the grill. It's nice and hot, just to crisp up the top and get a nice melted cheese coating. Do you like, oh my God. A little bit longer. We just want it to be bubbling on the top, don't we? I don't know what you do with this. It's like bottoms are more interesting than frittatas, probably. Right, that is probably ready. There you go, Penny. Yeah, not bad for a load of leftovers, hey? Good? Is that all right? Phew, okay. My harshest critic, I pulled it off.